This is not good. I am stuck. Go to VT. So today I'm attempting to complete my very own 4x4 trail that I designed myself. I've mapped it out on Google Maps and I think I might be one of the first people to do this full stretch of beach run in some of the softest sand in Australia. And as you can see, I've kind of already fallen victim to it. I've chosen a bunch of different obstacles to test the limits of what the car and I can handle. To make the challenge that little bit harder, I'm doing it solo. So going for the first little hill climb. Oh no. So I'm hoping that I should just be able to reverse out of here. Let's see how we go. Oh, not too bad. And then I'll show you now going forward so I can show you how soft this sand is. I'm gonna put my head out the window so I don't actually get bogged. That is how soft it is. I know coming out here solo is pretty dumb, but I really wanted to make another video for you guys. And if I do get bogged, I am prepared, but it could be pretty bad. So our first real obstacle, I mean, you can make this one as hard as or as easy as you like. I'm calling the Gateway because it is the first real big dune. But this track is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So you're gonna have your fun. You don't really need to go all out for the very first obstacle. And then you'll see over here how cool this scenery actually is. So I barely even made it past obstacle 1 and then I can feel something knock. And then I can hear some loud banging from the kitchen here. Oh, that's new, that doesn't normally come out. How I mounted it must be coming loose after driving around Australia. I think that's what the banging is. Extremely dodgy fix, but I put some straps there. With my dodgy fix doing the job, I now encounter my next big obstacle, this insane looking soft sand. This dune changes so much. Oh, it's rocky at the bottom now. Go, you good thing. Go, go, go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. I have to go again. Oh, I'm sliding. I'm sliding. Wow, it's not ideal to get speed in those rocks. Attempt number 2. Oh no. Oh, I'm in a bad spot now. Oh. This is what I meant by bad spot. Nice. I'm gonna have one final attempt, but a different line. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do if I don't make it. Now, well, this has made me 10 times more scared to complete the rest of this track by myself, and I can't even get up this. So that's the first obstacle I failed. We're calling it Quicksand Hill. I'll put a big red cross through that one. I've done a quick detour and got around Quicksand Hill. I'll definitely be back to complete that one next time. We're hopping over onto the top of the sand dunes that hug the beach line, and this is where we're gonna have to swerve on and off the beach a few times. And this is why it's one of my favorite spots in WA, so close to where most of us live, and this is the beach that you're greeted with. It's so sick. I don't think this climb deserves a name, but you're here to see four-wheel driving, so I gotta show you four-wheel driving. Whoa! A little bit too quick. And if you've watched my videos before, thanks for coming back. Hopefully you like them. But I want you to comment below and let me know what you think of the new 360 camera. Getting that kind of like front floating angle. I think it looks pretty cool. Now it's time to pick up some speed because we've still got about 22 kilometers to go and I want to get this challenge done before it gets dark. So this is just the first real ruddy section we've had. Everything else has just been real soft. So hopefully the IFS gets up at first try. I think it's just going to be so soft that I'm just sinking. Nope, kind of what I assumed would happen. So dusty. So that was me just going for the straight line. Now I can go for the little techie line, and I reckon if I drive it properly, I'll get through, no worries. See, in the IFS, if you can drive it different, skip the big parts of the ruts and just drive it relatively easy. So we're about 7.6 k's away now from where we started. As the bird fly is not quite traveled distance. We just passed the shacks. I wasn't planning on going on the beach yet, but it turns out I took a wrong turn. The beach is big though, so I'm not too worried. The beach, it looks manageable. Every time I find myself on a beach solo, I always get nervous, but I set this challenge for myself, so I have to do it. All right, so this is the shack exit. We're about to attempt, oh my, I can barely even go. Oh, I've done a bad job here. Go to VT. Alright, that's hill 1. And now number 2. Hit a speed. Oh, well. So I've just had a quick check on the map and it looks like we have about 10.8 Ks to go, but I'm pretty sure this next 10.8 Ks is the least driven. Also another point, now that I'm not driving around Australia, well, at least for the next 4 months, I think, we're probably gonna go back on the road again. If you have any other four-wheel drive challenges or even videos you want to see me do, we've got some product review kind of stuff planned and also some like DIY install-y stuff planned. So let me know what you guys actually want to see. So far, I'm pretty sure this is the longest dune I've seen. Let's see if we can make it up this absolute monster. It's bumpy. Now it's soft. Go on. Go on. Go. Go. Running out of steam. That was really weird. I just was driving and I found what looks like a dog tag. AU has numbers DJ. It's kind of scary. So I'm just showing you this real soft section. You can see my feet. I don't really want to get stuck in that bog hole. Oh no! Almost went down. So we've got our next obstacle. I'm calling it the sweeper. Big hooked right turn up behind this dune here. So for this one, we kind of have to make it first try. Because if I don't, I'm going to be reversing back in a very awkward way. Come on, BT. Oh. So close. Oh my goodness, this sand is cooked. Oh, it's up to my door. This is not good. I am stuck, but I think I should be able to go backwards, and then if not, the maxis will pop me out. Look at that. Yeah, the reversing back is going to be kind of whack. I don't really want to start digging because it's so sticky right now. That's why I've changed into the singlet to whether I'm going to be able to reverse. Oh. So I've managed to reverse down and now we're going for a different line. I'm going to go straight up the middle and then straight down onto the beach. So I forgot to record that bit because I was a little bit nervous. I've made that section of the beach run just there. You can see it's pretty narrow, like it looks wide, but it's on a bit of an angle. And now I have to decide whether I just commit to going down the beach further and hope that it stays pretty similar, or if I go up in here and go for a little explore. So I think I'm gonna reverse back and try to send it up there a little bit. So just trying to get up off that beach run. Have some momentum, please. I said I was in the middle of nowhere before, but now I really bloody am. A little bit nervous, to be fair. Starting to doubt how possible this trip actually is without a convoy and just hooning down the beach for as long as you can.
After a fail at the sweep, we're hoping to get another win on the board with the next one.
So these tracks are actually really fun, but when I say soft, I mean they're bloody soft. Oh, no, do not go that way, please. Straight, straight. I'm off the side of the dune right now. That is not ideal in the slightest. I think I'm gonna put my MaxTrax under the front. I looked at it and I said, don't do this. And then it just pushed me off the edge. Hopefully that is fine. They did nothing. This is what I was scared of. This is the bit that I was scared of happening, going down a little gully and getting stuck in it. MaxTrax. 4 sets.
Now my issue is I can't go forwards because there's that big dune there, and then trying to reverse. The sand's just so soft, I can't gain any momentum.
Having a crack with 1 set first, so you get up over this hill. I think I'm quitting, hey? I think I need to get out of this and then I might think about turning around.
So that didn't really work. Now I'm gonna get the other set of MaxTrax and hopefully this will get me up and over. If not, I am cooked.
Come on. All right, we moved. We're getting there. MaxTrax move, MaxTrax move. This would hopefully be the last one. Almost there. Hopefully this is the final one, but I might get stuck in my back wheels ruts with my fronts. Let's go. That was a lot. And I set myself this challenge. I never even told you the final destination. It was meant to be Moore River, and then I was supposed to get on a bodyboard, slide down the hill, skim across the water, and then that was gonna be the end of the video. After just that happening on such a small, it's like 4 meters elevation, but still happening on such a small thing. Don't know if I can deal with that, especially if it gets worse. So I think I might have to redo this whole thing, but with another car, or another 2 cars hopefully, and hopefully be able to make it.